Oh my god, look at my erase. Hecheko only goes live once in a while. Yeah, I'm busy. I'm busy here at the house. So I didn't go live every day. I find time to go live. But sometimes I don't have time. So it's raining. It's already raining. Going to take shower after. Oh my god, wait lang. Yes, I am sweating, kuya. Wait, my phone is going to get wet. So I'm going to put you there. Can you see the rain? Dancing. Dancing in the rain. Maligo na. Sarap ko yung maligo sa ulan. It's raining. Yeah. It's not lande-lande. Group Reaper? What? It's raining. It's raining. Kuya, I think there is a LPA. That's why. There is LPA, that's why there is rain. Low pressure or there is a typhoon coming inside the Philippine responsibility. Ate, dito kayo maligo. Nalaglag yung ano. Yeah. Hot ba? Hot? Hot. Hot. Hot.